Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and inspirational purposes only. It is not intended as professional advice. Always consult with a qualified interior designer or decorator for personalized recommendations. Remember to use your own judgment and consider your own circumstances when applying any ideas or suggestions from this video. Enjoy the journey of designing your space. Color schemes are a fundamental aspect of color theory in art, design, and various visual disciplines. They involve the strategic selection and combination of colors to create harmonious and visually pleasing compositions. 1. Monochromatic color scheme. A monochromatic color scheme is based on a single color from the color wheel. It includes different shades, tints, and tones of that color. For example, varying shades of blue, from light sky blue to deep navy. Monochromatic schemes are elegant and harmonious, creating a sense of unity and simplicity in a design. 2. Analogous color scheme. Analogous color schemes involve colors that are adjacent to each other on the color wheel. This scheme often includes 3 to 5 colors, such as red, red-orange, and orange. Analogous schemes create a sense of harmony and flow, making them ideal for creating a cohesive and pleasing visual experience. 3. Complementary color scheme. A complementary color scheme pairs colors that are directly opposite each other on the color wheel. Common examples include red and green, or blue and orange. Complementary colors create strong contrast and vibrancy, making them dynamic and eye-catching. They can be used to draw attention and create focal points. 4. Triadic color scheme. A triadic color scheme uses 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. For example, the primary colors red, blue, and yellow form a triadic scheme. Triadic schemes offer balance and contrast, and they are versatile for creating visually appealing compositions. 5. Split complementary color scheme. This scheme is a variation of the complementary scheme. It combines a base color with the 2 colors adjacent to its complementary color. Split complementary schemes provide a strong visual contrast with a bit more subtlety than a direct complementary scheme. For instance, you might pair red with yellow-green and blue-green. 6. Double complementary, tetradic, color scheme. A double complementary color scheme uses 2 pairs of complementary colors, resulting in 4 colors. This can create a rich and complex palette with a high level of contrast. Care must be taken to balance these colors effectively in a design. 7. Neutral color scheme. Neutral color schemes use colors that are not found on the color wheel. They include whites, grays, and browns. Neutrals provide a sense of simplicity, balance, and sophistication. They often serve as a backdrop for other colors in a design, allowing the brighter colors to stand out. 8. Warm and cool color schemes. Warm color schemes consist of colors like reds, yellows, and oranges. They evoke a sense of warmth, energy, and vibrancy. Cool color schemes include colors like blues, greens, and purples. They convey a feeling of calm, serenity, and relaxation. 9. Emotional and cultural significance. Different color schemes can evoke specific emotions and cultural associations. For example, warm colors may convey excitement, while cool colors suggest tranquility. Cultural context plays a significant role in interpreting the emotional impact of color schemes. For instance, red is often associated with luck and happiness in Chinese culture. Color schemes are a foundational tool for designers and artists. They help create visually appealing and emotionally resonant compositions by carefully selecting and combining colors. The choice of color scheme should consider the intended emotional impact, cultural context, and the specific needs of the design project. Whether creating a peaceful bedroom or a dynamic logo, understanding and applying color schemes is key to achieving the desired visual effect.